Welcome to iBuild, the #1 company for UPVC installation and repair in Marbella. A UPVC window is a window that is made of plastic and has a lot of advantages. The first advantage is that UPVC windows are more durable than other windows. They will not break easily as they are temperature and weather resistant, so they won't crack when it gets cold. It also doesn't let water in, so if you live in an area with a lot of rain, this would be the best type of window for you. The next advantage is that it is very easy to clean because the dirt will just slide off because it's made out of plastic. This type of window also doesn't need regular painting like other types of window do. This saves money on paint and time on cleaning. The last important thing about UPVC window installation and repair is that they make your house look better, cleaner and newer looking because there are no gaps in them where bugs could get into your house or air could get out, which makes for better insulation too. UPVC windows are the most popular type of window on the market. Installation is a very simple process and only takes a few hours to complete. The UPVC window frames are manufactured in the factory and delivered to site as part of a kit which includes all necessary components including frame, hinges, handles, locks and miters. If you are looking for a professional construction company in Marbella that can install or else repair your UPVC windows, look no further than iBuild.